Hello everyone, I am Federico Spolaore and I decided to present the chart regarding the NASA mission on Mars. Due to previous interesting results regarding geological, the NASA wants to plan a new mission on the Red Planet for the year 2020 to continue the Mars exploration program. To do this, they decided to create a specific team with a specific task. The team is named SDT, that means Science Definition Team, and this team must formulate a detailed concept for the mission, considering the feasibility. Then they have to present this concept, and the concept must be approved by NASA headquarters before proceeding. NASA gives some targets and some constraints. Targets are that they want to explore Mars directly on the surface. They want to try to find possible sign of biosignature, and they want to demonstrate from technological point of view that it is possible to carry home to Earth some geological sample, something like a rock. And also they have a sub-important mission that they want to provide some extra space for HEOMD and STP missions. Constraints, of course, we have constraints regarding the dimension, the mass, the volume that we can carry on the rover, and then we have constraints on time. The mission must be launched for the year 2020. The duration, the rover must last for 1 year on Mars, that means 690 days, and the STD team has to follow a traceability matrix during the entire project, and then they have to deliver periodic goals and reports. Of course, money then is important. They have a total cost of 100 million, and this is split into 80 million for development and implementation of instruments, and 20 million for the rest of mechanical parts. The budget is not including surface operations. I've been very fast into this because I want to focus into what I think about this chart. So kept in mind that this is a massive project involving tons of money. I don't know how many thousands of employees, stakeholders. So this is just my opinion, but I think that I found very good pros and something that I didn't like it. So I like that there is a dedicated team and not one person since the beginning. So I will always have someone to who I can relate with for since the beginning of the planning. Then they have precise dates and budget to respect. Okay, the mission has to start in 2020, but for the rest they have precise date to respect, not something like Q2 2018. The STD team has intermediate reports to follow. And then the project is based on a previous mission and a previous rover. So I have all the historical data about how much it costs, how much it lasts, something about reliability, how much, if I had some delays, something I had to change. So I'm not starting from nothing. I have historical data about it. This is what I liked. At the same time, the reliability is not mentioned at all, and I don't know what I have to be focused on. For example, we go on Mars and then I lost one camera or I lost this sensor. Can the mission last? Can the mission continue? If I plan my chart, if I do the chart thinking something and then it's wrong, I need to do the chart again. At the same time, they imposed me stakeholder. I can guess why. Maybe NASA have contract with some laboratory, some supplier, but in my opinion, we should make a tender and then pick the best option that the supplier give to us. At the same way, they imposed us a rover for the project. And for me, it's not okay because, okay, we have to go there and use this drill to get this rock. And it's not fitting on the rover. We cannot change the drill. We need to adapt the drill, the rover for the drill, to carry on the target. So it should be the opposite for me of what was stated on the chart. So this is it. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.